So, hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, one of the important and common confusion that is being arised by lots of candidates related to Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship 7.0. So, earlier I provided you video related to this, and many of the candidates have doubt related to that whether means if I have applied for 6.0, then am I eligible or not, or how basically I will get confirmed that whether I haven't been registered or not. Okay, and what is the basically next process you should know. So because if you will miss this part, then you will basically not get any internship or you will not get any courses and any certificate. Okay, so what is the thing that I want to tell, that you have to just not log in here. Okay, after that you have to basically just register it. Make sure to register it because you will get here virtual internship 7.0, and there you have to fill the form. They clearly mention click here to apply. So for applying, basically before applying you have to just select a domain, that what domain you are interested, just select it, and after that you have to apply only. So when you will apply, then a new window will appear, and then you have to just accept the privacy statement and you have to just give it done. And after that you have to provide your name, your registered email id. Make sure to give the same email id through which you have just log in it to the Springboard portal. Okay, you might have been logged in through the Google account or directly or through your details. So make sure to give all the details and give the institution name properly, and city and state and the domain. Remember, one of the common tip I will tell all of the candidates: don't choose multiple domain. Okay, don't choose. I think they are not giving also option, but during the assigned courses, don't choose multiple domain because you will face a lots of issues. So just choose any one domain while selecting the courses. Okay, and then just choose these all those details and provide the year. So many of the candidates have down whether I am first year, so am I eligible or not. Yeah, you can say clearly, they have clearly mentioned that first year students are eligible. So first, second, third, fourth year, all students are eligible. Means if you are in graduations or if you have been passed out too, then you can apply. So till 2020 30 graduations can apply. Okay, so if you are employed, means if you are working professional, then you are not eligible to apply and you should not apply. And if your students are not employed, then only you should apply. So this is just to boost your career, or you can say to boost your knowledge. Okay, so just continue after that and it will be registered. So I hope now your doubt is clear that how to do. Okay, now next important thing, what is the next process for that? Remember, you will not get any confirmation mail from that whether you registered or not, but post registration date, that is of 30th April, 30th March. So after 30 March you might get the things, means mail from the, or you can say reminder mail from the Infosys, that complete the assigned courses. Assigned course means what? Whatever the text tab you have used, suppose these candidates have choose the artificial intelligence, then they will get the courses. So these courses you have to complete. Remember to done with 100%. Okay, there it will see, give the progress. This is, you can say, 70%. If you can see here, so this is 70%, this is 0%. So let me just zoom it, then it will be quite clear to you. So you can see this is just 70%, this is complete. So you should complete all the course assigned courses 100%. Okay, these all courses. Suppose in AI, if you will choose some other Angular full stack, then there will be corresponding courses for that. And again saying, don't choose multiple, or don't start multiple domain. Okay, just fill or just complete any one courses. That's the thing I want to tell. Now I hope your all doubt is clear related to Springboard. So what are the next process? First of all, you have to complete all those courses, and there are certain deadline. Before that you have to complete, that is before May 5, 2026. So to eligible, start your learning journey in your selected technology area and complete all recommendable courses. They have clearly mentioned, and corresponding learning path on or before 5th May 2026. For instance, if you opted for AI, then proceed with courses outlined with AI learning path and just complete it. If you will complete earlier, then there will be chances of earlier selection. So now दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. ओके, सो अगर आप जल्दी करेंगे तो आपको जल्दी मीन्स मेल आएगा उनके थ्रू. तो मेक श्योर टू कंप्लीट ऑल दिस कोर्सेज एंड यू कैन learn the various things. So I hope now your doubt is clear. What are the next process? And this will be 8-week virtual internship. So first of all, you have to complete assigned courses, and post that you will get the confirmation from the Infosys that yeah, you are not eligible for virtual internship, and आपको basically ट्रेनिंग वगैरह दिया जाएगा for 2 week. I hope your doubt clear. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. कोई भी क्वेरी यू कैन आस्क, यू कैन कनेक्ट मी ऑन लिंक्डइन और इंस्टा और एनीवेयर. थैंक यू.